And the race is on. AJ's Magic fast to begin, followed by Duma the Gundong. Ale is racing in third by Daryl Reyes Gold Sagar Mata. Don Paulo is racing from the outside. Grand Homer is the early trailer by about 7 or 8 lengths of the leader. EJ's Magic baha pa ng Duma the Gundong racing from the outside and running in third, rushing up Don Paulo Ale as they round the 3/4 mile distance. EJ's Magic by a length and a half, followed by Duma the Gundong and racing in third by some 4 lengths. Ale Don Paulo, Reyes Gold, Grand Homer racing second last, and Sagar Mata is now running at the tail of the field. Last 800, EJ's Magic, this time by some 2 lengths, followed by Duma the Gundong. Ale is racing in third by some 5 lengths. Don Paulo, Grand Homer is racing in fifth. Last 450, EJ's Magic by only a length and a half. Duma the Gundong is racing from the outside. Last 400, EJ's Magic. Duma the Gundong from the outside. Grand Homer as they race the final corner. EJ's Magic still leading the pack by some 2 lengths now. Duma the Gundong once again from the outside, and Grand Homer down on the inside and nearing the finish line. EJ's Magic, Duma the Gundong once again by the rail, moves up, and finally it's going to be a close finish between Duma the Gundong, EJ's Magic, Grand Homer, Reyes Gold, Ale, Don Paulo, and Sagar Mata comes last.